World War II has reverberations well into the 21st century. It made the world that we have today, and we still feel the political, the social, and economic reverberations from that conflict here 80 years after it ended. Part of the mission of the World War II Museum is to do education and travel, and we will take groups of Americans to East Anglia. And one of the things that I've been very surprised and heartened to find is how these small museums that have been created by the local communities have taken ownership of their local history and really embraced it and reinforced that relationship between United Kingdom and the United States 80 years after the Americans set up all these airfields here in Great Britain. Most people are very familiar with the air crew and their combat exploits, but what people don't realize is that for every combat air crewman that you see in the air during this period, there are 20 Americans on the ground supporting that aerial armada. Since I've been here at the Civil Wings Exposition, I'm impressed with the enthusiasm that the Air Division Museum has, the displays that they put together, and quite frankly, the response that it's gotten from the local communities.
Our first trip to Norwich, which was 3 years ago in November, we came to do research on my mother's time as a medical social worker for the American Red Cross at the American Air Force 231st Station Hospital in Wyndham at Morley. That's what we came to do. We knew about her service there because she talked about it, and also because she had left behind about 200 letters back and forth between herself and family and friends, plus photographs, plus she had done an interview on CBC radio in the late 1980s, and we wanted to know more. Well, the Silver Wings exhibition is absolutely wonderful. It talks about her life here, and it also talks somewhat about her life before and after the war as well. It includes photographs of her and my father and some of her friends, and it also includes some transcripts from her letters, which were very well chosen because they actually are very representative of how she felt at various stages of her time here in Norwich. There's also a listening station where you can listen to the interview that she did for CBC. It was quite wonderful to see.
The idea behind the Memorial Library, the American Library, is that it be a living memorial to the 2nd Air Division, and that living component, that quality, that it's engaging with the community, that it's engaging with public activity, is absolutely fundamental to what the Trust and what the library is about. So public engagement is at the very heart of the Memorial Library, and it's something that the veterans themselves wanted to see when they set it up back in the 40s. Partners like the Forum are absolutely crucial to these kind of projects. They make it happen, they bring the expertise, and they help ensure that we do reach out to a bigger, broader, more diverse community as we go forward. Silver Wings Festival has been absolutely fantastic. It's amazing. I love the combination of really informative, interesting, engaging talks, together with Lindy Hop, together with the vehicles that we've currently got parked up outside the Forum. It's been a fantastic experience.